WWYD? My son's godfather's fiance sent me this. I am wearing a dark green dress and her bridesmaids are in light green. I'm considering not even going. You have 4 months' notice. Hey. I just wanted to mention something. I heard you got a green dress for the wedding. Not sure why your best friend didn't tell you, but my bridesmaids are actually wearing green, and that's the theme color, so I'm trying to keep that color just for the bridal party. Would you mind wearing a different color to the wedding? I'd really appreciate it. It will also be written on the invitation when you receive that I have asked all guests to stay away from green.